Tonight, an urgent manhunt, and it's for two brothers that are accused of kidnapping their three young sons in California. Take a look at these pictures. They're on the run, and they may be fleeing to their native Syria, as violent thugs could be after the men trying to kill them. Shortly before the brothers disappeared with their children, 44 violent messages were left on their voicemails from angry Armenians who the brothers may have scammed out of millions of dollars. These are the children that are missing tonight. The messages have been translated into English by the mother of one of the missing children. Here's a sample of some of those messages. Enough playing with our nerves. I am calling you to call me. Don't test my patience, or else my friend is going to bash your brains out. You better blanking call me. There is big trouble. The guy has lost his mind in the last 2 days, and he is walking around with guns in his hands. And after looking at the translations today, I can tell you there is much more that we cannot even say on television, even cable television. These were very disturbing messages. Joining us live, the mothers of the three missing boys, Zanny Megarian and Christine John Bart. Ladies, we want to help you in any way we can. Zanny, tell me a little bit about how you first learned that your children were missing.
I got a gut instinct about it very early on. My kids went missing on Thursday, July 3rd. I last saw them on the 2nd, and on the morning of the 3rd, I was supposed to talk to my son. When I did not hear from him that entire day, and I kept calling all day long, and I got voicemail after voicemail, I knew something was wrong.
Christine, the fathers of both of your children were brothers. They lived together in California. And after your boys did not come home from their court-ordered visitation, you went to their house. What did you find in the house that they shared?
Well, first of all, there was no furniture in the house, inflatable mattresses everywhere, clothes all over the place. The house was filthy, dirty. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw the house like that. We found an empty gun case. We also found shredded papers in the shredder. And
what were those, Zanny? And what kind of business do you think that the men were in, and why do you think that the Armenian mob is after them?
Basically, they're professional con artists. They had been planning this scheme for a long time. They've ripped people off. They've stolen their money. The shredded paperwork, there was a lot of information on fake IDs, on immigration, naturalization paperwork.
So you think they were helping illegals come in and giving them paperwork?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
So,
everything
Christine,
we looked at looked like that.
What made you aware that their lives were being threatened, and how concerned are you for your children's safety tonight?
Well, honestly speaking, I know that they have been receiving a lot of threats, and they were involved with the wrong people. I know that George has a gun, and they're running for their lives.
And you got a call also, I know, from someone who said that they were owed money, and actually several calls. Zanny, let me go back to you. Were your ex-husbands concerned that your children were becoming Americanized? Do you think that the trip back to Syria was planned, other than them being chased down by people they owed money because they just didn't want them here in America, that they want them in Syria?
No, I don't think that's the case at all. I think they're fugitives on the run, and they're running from the people who are after them. They know they're in trouble. They stole a lot of money. They have messed with the law and the wrong people, and they're on the run. It's not to take the kids to Syria because they don't want the kids are Americanized.
All right. If anybody sees the children, Christine and Zanny, we put the pictures up. I know that was most important to you. We've given the information. If anyone has information, I hope that they will call authorities immediately. Good luck to both of you. We will check back with you. We hope you find your boys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Coming up, another manhunt. This one's gone international.